How to fix Midea air conditioner leaking water. First, turn the AC off. Turn it off and disconnect power before doing any cleaning around the unit. Step 2. Clean the air filters. Open the front panel, remove the filters and clean them. A dirty filter can restrict airflow and contribute to condensation problems. Midea recommends cleaning the filters regularly. Step 3. Check the drain hose. Look at the condensate drain hose coming from the indoor unit. Make sure it isn't kinked, crushed, or blocked. Midea specifically warns that kinks create water traps and prevent proper drainage. Step 4. Clear the drain. If the drain is clogged, clear the blockage. Midea's cleaning guidance recommends checking the drain pipe for dirt, algae, or standing water and cleaning the drainage system. Step 5. Check that the hose drains properly. The hose should have a continuous path downward and shouldn't end submerged in water or have a water trap. The drain hose must not be kinked and its end shouldn't sit in a container of water. And then step 6, test the AC. Turn the AC back on in cool mode and watch the indoor unit. Water should be carried away through the drain rather than dripping from the front of the unit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.